The most expensive real estate in the world is the real estate around a surgical bed. And the more technology that we can bring around that surgical bed in a human factors environment that is easy to use, the more effective surgical procedures will be and the better patient outcomes we'll have. So in affording and designing smaller and smaller medical devices, coming up with a mobility solution that allows us to bring various technologies into that same area is a unique solution to the marketplace. To do that, MPE has invested very heavily in discrete components to build up unique solutions for mobility in our MACH series of product. Here in this area are some examples of our MACH product portfolio, which are these unique standard components, as you can see, configured and made up, unique solutions for whatever an OEM's requirements are.